going on, y'all? Today we're out here at Washington BDR. It's me and my dad. We rode out here yesterday from the west side all the way up to the border. We started yesterday technically, hit the border, Nighthawk, and here we are on our way. Next stop is Conconuli. And yeah, on the old T7. My dad's on his WR 250, the 250R, so should be quite the rip. Pretty stoked. I've been planning on doing this ride for quite a while, so it's good to be out here. And the old T7's ripping. She's tuned, exhaust, got the bags and the tires, stiffer springs in her, so can't complain. This is me and my dad's first BDR. We've dabbled in the motocamping a little bit. We went around Greenwater, Washington last year for a few days. That was cool. I was on a KLR back then, but now I got the old T7. And yeah, we rode all the way yesterday. It was like 280 miles. Camped at Chopaka Lake up by the border. It's on the route of the BDR. We rode a couple miles in and camped the first night. And that was nice. It was quite windy though, like full-on windstorm windy, so it wasn't too bad. At least it wasn't raining or cold or super hot, so can't complain. But yeah, I'm super excited to be out here. This is quite rad. I've been meaning to do this. We're aiming to do the whole thing, and we're doing north to south. So we started at the Canadian border, going down to the Oregon border, so we'll see what we can make happen. Our next stop is Conconuli, and we're gonna see if we can't make it down to Chelan today. It might be a little bit ambitious, but I don't think we're hitting any of the alt routes, so it should be doable, possibly. But we'll figure it out. We haven't done this before, so we'll see what happens. Oh! Ay, ay, ay. Oh! That quick shifter's barking! Oh! Let's fucking go, boys. I absolutely love the way these T7s sound. The old cross-plane twin bod, she fucking eats! Yeah. Oh. I do gotta be careful. I'm not trying to crash this trip. I'm trying to take it easy. But it's just too good. The old cross-plane. And the fucking, the tune I got raised the red line, so it sounds tits. Alright, let's see where we need to go. Looks like right this way. Oh. That's behind me. I might wait for him here in a second, but he's got his route too, so you know, yeah, I'll wait for him. I'm gonna wait for him back there because this is getting a little bit more intense. Not intense, but you know what I mean. Oh, this is cool. We're on this sweet little road that has a bunch of meadows on it, so it's pretty sweet. Stopped and got some gas. That's good. We're a minute now. There's some water in there. Oh my gosh! There's a moose! Holy shit! What's up, dude? I haven't seen a moose in a fat minute. That's fucking awesome. And there's a deer! There's a moose in this pasture. Just chilling. I saw a fish. I see them. They're little babies. I saw a bigger one though. There's also a big ass chimney over here for some reason. Hey. So this is day 2. I guess day 3 if you count the travel day, but second full day of the BDR. This is section 4. We've made it a good distance. We're in the Iniat Mountains, I believe. And yeah, this section is super fun. It's very flowy, kind of sandy. And yeah, you can absolutely let her eat on these, which is pretty sick. And good drifts. Oh, yeah. I'm really getting comfortable on the old 2.7. I'm trying to let her eat like I would the YZ and whatnot. And me and my dad have actually been up here before. We've hunted up here for quite a few years. So this is all pretty familiar, which is cool. The old BDR still our spot, damn it. But yeah, we stopped in Chelan, got a burger, got some gas, refueled. Now we're eating. We're possibly trying to get to Wenatchee. Not sure how realistic that is. Murdoch Canyon Road. Yeah, we're good. Aw, fuck. Damn it. Another ride. Oh, here's some pavement. What the hell? You know what I like to do when I see pavement? Destroy my tire. Alright, one more. That's it. Let's see. Hell yeah. It's a pretty long hill climb. Oh, bruh. The views out here are fucking insane. It's quite rad. Oh, bruh. That's just rad. The views out here are just insane. I love this. Just one after another. Can't beat it. Alright, just did a little rescue for my pops. He went down right here. Nothing bad. Just laid it down, so I rolled the old WR up the hill for him. This is a pretty gnarly, loose, rocky uphill, so I'm gonna send it back up. Oh, ABS, ABS. Oh, that almost killed me. Fuck me. Sketch. I really need to get that dongle so it saves the settings. You don't have to fucking reset it every time you turn the bike off and back on. So go. Made it. I didn't see him down there. Must have missed him. There's the old WR. Made it up to the Bethel Ridge viewpoint. It's called the Hidden Viewpoint. It's a pretty gnarly little ride, but I would say it paid off. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's unbelievable, honestly. Sick.